All you need is one down ass, genuine, real friendship.
Yes, you need that. Close connections, friendships. You want to connect with somebody who you're not sleeping with, right? They're not your everything. And that's a burden on your partner as well. You need somebody else to help you out with your life. My name is Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach. I help people make more meaningful connections, and I want to help you get there. 3 simple steps. Step one, figure it out who it is that you want to meet. Who are you? The people out there are a reflection of you. So, how do you behave? What's important to you? When you figure that out, step two, go to those places where people are doing the things that are interesting and fun to you. Don't go places where you really just don't want to be. Three, be authentic in talking about things that are important to you. Open up, be vulnerable, share, face rejection, reject other people. You're going to have to do this if you're looking for your tribe. If you need help with this, I've got you.